Well, here we are. It's Monday, and today we got some news from Veracruz. Some news about a good pastor friend of ours. His name is Martin, and he passed away this morning, and he had been battling with a brain tumor for quite a while. And Martin was a professor here at the seminary. He was a good friend. He was actually one of the first person who ever thanked us for coming to Mexico as missionaries, and he was just an incredible guy. So it's a little disappointing to hear about his death, but at the same time, we hope for the future. We have hope because of Jesus, and so we are mourning, but at the same time rejoicing that he's no longer in pain. And so Martin Pereda was a great guy, a great mentor, a great example of what it means to be a leader. So that's how we started our day today. This whole video is not going to be about him, but it's no fun to lose somebody who's been part of our team here at the seminary for so long. Drawing a good one?
You go on.
No, I want it.
Show me. Wow.
I'm not gonna
Look at my list.
Ooh, but I have the ball.
It's a pretty
I'm
picture.
not gonna
Thanks.
It's 80 to nothing. Actually, it's 80 to.
So we're gearing up for a long road trip. On Saturday, we're driving from Mexico City, starting our trip from Mexico City to Florida. And the other day, the little check engine light came on. And so it's been on for a few days. And so today I'm going to check and make sure that if it's on, I'm going to call the mechanic. If it's not on, I'm not going to call the mechanic. It's a pain. So here we go. Let's start this up and see what happens. Well, it's not on. It's not on, so I guess that means I don't have to call the mechanic. I'm not sure. Go.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm driving the car around the block, and the light is still off. So I hope that that's a good thing. I mean, we've got 34 hours of driving to do starting on Saturday. We're going from Mexico City to San Luis Potosí. Then we're going to Nuevo Laredo. Then we're going to somewhere in Louisiana. And then finally we'll make it to Florida. But I'm seeing that this light is still just off. So the mechanic checked it out a week ago. Said everything was fine. Fixed some stuff that was wrong with it. And then a day later or 2 days later, or maybe a week later, the check engine light came on. So I checked checked the fluids and everything, and now it's off. So hopefully it's just a faulty light. I guess we'll have to stay tuned and see. If it comes on tomorrow, I'll probably call the mechanic again. But now I'm home, so, and it's still not on. So I guess we're good. Who's gonna win?
Mexico.
It's okay. Más fuerte.
Más fuerte. Más fuerte. Más fuerte. Más fuerte. Fuerte. Daddy. Daddy.